Y'all got me crying. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay. We are live. And we are here. All right. So we are going to be watching Path today for sure. Oracle on Path. Let's write it down. And if, let's see, the team. So, Fosca, if you're watching, you can see this chart with Path. Right here, look. That's a beautiful, beautiful trade. One that I sent. I hate that doesn't say happy. Good morning, Melissa. One that I sent alert on Path. Let's go check that. Because I know Illy texted me she was doing really good on Path. Was it a daily watch? Let's see. I'll tell you now. Yep. So Path took 22 days to work it out. Okay. So our first, when I send out alert, it was, ooh, you guys really gonna love me. It was $12 basically, right here. All right. So do you guys see why I sent out around $12 on alert? Anybody? So the alert was sent right over here. I don't know why my mouse is not listening, but let's see. We'll figure it out. And so the price was at $12, right? So I'll tell you percentage gain in 22 days. All right, so we're talking percentages. You are up 20%. Nope, I didn't mean to do. And today we're watching Uber. Yeah, exactly. Can you see the 12 like really, really well? Let me remove this thing. Okay. Can you see the 12 like right here over the course of the time? Yeah, you can see that, right? Like easy. So people get confused how I do this analysis. It's not that complicated. Can you see that? $12, $12. So they needed to break the $12. So you up 20%. The analysis in 4 hours. Okay, so today we're gonna be watching Uber. This is what we're watching today. And let's do the 4 hours. And let's do the levels quickly together. See if do you guys see why I want Uber? You see this line right here or no? Kalbėk lietuviškai. Yeah, norėčiau lietuviškai daugiau kalbėti. Pas mus šiaip daug lietuvių aplinkui yra. Okay, anybody sees it why I'm seeing $70? This mouse is so good that it's too sensitive. So it's the area, right? So a breakout of that $70 area. Okay, since they already reported on Wednesday 5th, so it is technically after earnings situation. All right, what's the next level you guys see? Thank you. Mm. Yeah, yesterday, yesterday I saw that you guys have a really good day. I was just at the mall with my daughter, and I couldn't connect because my reception wasn't that great. Yeah, I was pretty proud of you. So, see, the thing is, like, there's no competition in trading. We all help each other out. Do, um, we all help with entries. We all help with the analysis, right? So, whoever was able to connect with the Asia yesterday, yeah, we all understand. My biggest thing is we're not fighting each other. We're fighting the markets together. That's the one thing for me. Like, and I makes me really happy that, we can able to help everybody else. And all right. And this is the thing. We all can make money. We all can buy. We all can, that's like, you have your knowledge, I have my knowledge, and when I combine it together, and then we all win. Right? Mm. That's awesome though. Yeah. Maybe you can make a lesson and then we can put it on Whoop. That's awesome though. See, like, so you have your opening print and you have your orb, and I can automatically do, but there's explanation for it. What's the next level you guys see in Uber? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. D-Queen, this is your day. Did you see what on did, and did you see what Pat did? The U Pat? Today we're doing Uber. I just already went through the scanner because okay, so 73.45, 73. Yeah, I see that. Okay, let's do Melissa's level. It's all areas too, but I like that. 42, you okay with a 42? Because it's just that area, you see? It wants to touch that area all the time. Are you okay with this area, Melissa? Yep, so the area. So it's a bigger stretch. So if we do accomplish it, let's see. So we are calculating. I don't know why my mouse is being so sensitive today. Okay, I know what I can do. 1 second. Profile. Okay, let's try this now. Alrighty. It's about 3%. 3%, obviously this was 22 days, so it was 20%, but 3% in a day is still a lot. Yeah, no, that's okay. It's not like that. What dollar amount with M&Q? Okay. I don't know how to answer with dollar amount with M&Q, but all right. So now, so this one technically should be the buying opportunity. Okay. I will change it into red. Okay. And where are we buying again? If it goes red, what will be where it will be our next buying opportunity? What level you guys see? Invest of trade options. I'm just trying to decide it if you're a scammer or you are a nice and kind person that came here to give positive vibes. So let me know. Make your decision now. Anybody sees another level for Uber? To buy it. So the red level. No? Okay. So invest or trade options. I'm asking you if you are a nice and kind person to come here give me support, or how to show a stop loss in a dollar amount. So when you put in your order, let's say buy, right? Then you do your stop loss, see it shows the dollar amount. Can you see that? You just drag it out and it shows the dollar amount. Is that what you're asking? Yes, Tom Tom. That's exactly what. So below. So what happened? So we have support and resistance. This is the profit targets. We're gonna be trading this, okay? And we're gonna be watching on today. And we're gonna be watching Uber today. Once you enter a trade, that changes. What do you mean? It doesn't change. A dollar minus a dollar amount, but if it's like a technical thing that you want to figure out, because sometimes I know some stop losses don't show dollar amount, some stop losses just show the price. You have to go into your settings, right? So you have to go into your settings. All right, so no one has a red level for me. You're saying 67, 70? 67. It's a little bit, yes. So that will be probably like the third level. Yeah, I agree with Melissa. Yeah, it's I agree with Melissa because so Tom that could be the third one because it's a day trade, so you need to have them closer. All right. So yes, invest or trade options. It shows, like I said, the contract amount. So will be in your settings. And that will be just like that will be more like a Google search. I'll just ChatGPT how to change your settings. So it's in your settings. Yeah, I remember I had to change that myself too, because it would show only contract size versus the dollar sign. So I don't remember how I did it, to be honest with you. But this is like a technical thing that we don't have time right now to do it. We keeping an eye keeping an eye on Uber. And we just saw how UPAD did really good because she's keep running. How Illy says she's keep running. Yeah, actually Illy texted me about this one. But I posted 22 days ago. All right, and then Tom I think will be your next one could be like right here. Okay. Okay. Mm. Well, actually, Tom, you were kind of right. It's the same thing. Yeah, you were right. Okay. Art, you see that? All the good news, it just melted all away. All right, so we go with Uber. We have our levels. See what happens. Okay. Everybody has the paper cans ready? The Queen, can you see that? The like the 76 level, and you got triggers, so that would have been a good entry. But we'll watch it for today to see how it's doing. Yep, the paper trading ready. Good. I'm just doing the same levels that you guys have already set up in your in the daily watch list. I don't know why mine didn't save, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that because it's a big one for one day. So if we enter in here or we enter in their Uber, or we'll see what happens. So Pat already run. Already did the running. Good morning, Roger. Good morning, Woodland. See, Friday, another Friday. We have a whole 13 people. So we'll be going through all of our call outs that we had. Actually is doing pretty good for the week. All right, I have 15 minutes, so I'm ready on my end. Yeah, this is the Stock Friday. Yes, it is. we are doing a stock Friday. Any trades? Now we're doing a paper trade with the team, and they all want to figure out how my mind works on stocks. So we chose to do stock Friday together, and we are going through some analysis we did on for the team during the week, and we're checking how they did this week. Who reached the goals, who didn't reach the goals. Yeah. Okay. So don't worry about this one right now. This is for TikTok. But the ON, and then UPath, which goes path, and then Uber. The main one we eyeing today is Uber. Yeah, you're welcome. I love questions. You guys know that. It gives me something to talk about. All right. Do you guys see anything else in here that you guys want to pick, or we're good? Okay, we can do that. Sorry. Anybody else wants anything else? So we good. Yeah, I got your request order. Any other? See, Stock Friday, we have 11 people now on TikTok. You might have the toast. Yeah, toast is a little bit slower. It might take like a month or so to work it out. It's a good company though. I just checked the toast. But it might take, like I said, will be more like a swing tradership because it's just a little bit like, so Pat, you see how Pat was a little bit like running, and it took like a whole 22 days, so basically a month. Okay, so Toast is a $20 billion company, and the volume is a little bit smaller, but they sold off, and anytime they sell off, they pick back right up. So the first target was 35, which I think we kind of hit it, or we'll hit it today. Yeah. So I try to choose like a cheaper stocks too, so you can buy more. If that makes sense. Yeah. So that's what that's no. So that's when the whole thing was born, because no one understands my brain. So, oh, Pfizer. We had Pfizer too. Okay, let's see what levels I have for Pfizer. We had it in long-term Pfizer. Because Pfizer pays 6%, right? So with Pfizer, we had 6%, but it's keep popping. So I wonder if it's going to pop through our levels. The first tag is 28, the second 32, 36. So yeah. So pad is already 14, but already guys notify you around 12. So the request that we had from Art was the DraftKings. All right. That looks interesting. That looks promising. All right, let's do this one really quick. What levels you guys see? Let's do quick. We have 9 minutes. Hi, Hussein. You want me to do it, or you guys can help me out? One thing for day trading, you want to have your VWAP on. Like I said, this weekend we'll be done with the video. Labas, Thomas. Were you here yesterday? We had a lot of Lithuanian yesterday. So I'm waiting for the team. You want me to do the DraftKings, or are you guys gonna do your levels, or you want me to do the levels? We have 8 minutes, so we have to like kind of. Okay, I do. Okay. Someone has the microphone on. Who would that be?
It's probably me.
Tom. Yeah. It aligns, right? It aligns with the same level. Okay. Let's do it really quick. Okay. So now we have the WeWap. Let me set up the WeWap 5 minutes. Alrighty. We'll watch it. All right. So I pre-did everything for you guys. So we're watching this, this, and this. Okay. You go to your paper count when the market opens. You buy where you think you want to buy. Okay. You guys are ready? I'm excited. Where am I from? with my name on the screen will tell you what I'm from. And I got a request from another TikTok with same profile. I think it's fake or real. Like people are asking you to send them money. So please do not send money in TikTok. They actually think, check this out. They followed me with my own picture. I mean, they are insane. And how people fall for them, I don't know. I can't get them to pay me $40 a month for my analysis, but they convince people to pay $1,000 with my picture on it. So I must be doing something wrong because you guys cannot even sign up for my service that costs $40 a month. But you guys have no problem sending them thousands of dollars. So yeah, please, I will never ask you for any money. So do not respond. Report them, that's all I get to do, or send me a screenshot. I try to report them, but TikTok doesn't find problem with them. So that's the most interesting part. And I put it that they are impersonating me and they don't see any problem with it. So I'm like, okay, that's all I get to do. And there's nothing we can do about it. Yeah. But the fact that people send them money, it's beyond me. Yeah, all you can do is report and block. So they followed me with my picture, and I'm like, seriously, gonna be that obvious? Yeah. It's really sad that people fall for that. It's really sad those people are out there to do that. Okay. All right. I'm really sorry it's happening, but there's, like I said, there's nothing I can do about it. You guys have to be smart. Okay. You guys can see what I see. Me watching all that. Okay. Ding, ding, ding. Almost. Okay. Let's do this. We can do it. There you go. That's the ding, ding, ding. All right. I'm getting into Uber. Did it ding me or no? Look at that. Look at that momentum. No, didn't ding me. Come on. Oh, should have done that. Okay. Come on, you. I didn't get the best price I got, but let's see if I'm in it. Am I in it? Come on. Look at Uber running. Did you guys get into Uber or no? I'm not gonna get the best price I want. Okay, I'm in it. So this is the DraftKings that R wanted it. This is On that we've been watching for a little while. And this is Uber that I'm in the Uber right now. Thank you, Laura. Yeah. Look at that push. See, and then you're done for the day if you're in the Uber. So the question of the day is, how did you pick that one? I don't know, you guys, just my brain. Look at this pretty chart, you guys. Anybody else is in it? Tell me you guys in it. Oh my God. My heart is so happy. See, I'm like literally done for today. Okay, who is with me in this? Who is in it? Please tell me. Some of you got it. Paper trading only. Remember. See, we see orders of 73.50. Can you guys see that on the book map? 74. We're chilling. Thank you. There you go. So yeah. That's it. And I'm done for today. That's how I roll. We're a book map. Yeah, the TikTok screen is very small, so we have actually 4 screens and a book map on, but you just can't see it because TikTok only has so much space. And if I cram everything in here, you won't be able to see anything. So okay, that's it. We're literally done. Gonna pull back a little bit, and because the weave up is at 72, and then we will see what happens at 72. I'm sorry, yeah. Well, you can monitor your, like, with doing the Uber and on, you can monitor and on your paper cap. So we could be working. Yeah, that's it. That's all you're gonna do. Just monitor Uber on and you good. Okay. Our job literally is done for today. So we did the analysis, we bought it, and even went on, you could buy it here and just trail your stops or come back and check. Have a good weekend, you too. Thank you for yesterday. That's really cool. So now we're chilling and we'll see if it's gonna take the 73 order, but I know it's gonna go to weave up first, so I'm not afraid of a pullback. That's okay. All right, it's gonna pull back and then we'll see what happens if they're gonna reach the 73. So the biggest thing with Stock Friday that we've been doing, as you probably saw, you spend the most time pre-analyzing everything. And then once you're pre-analyzing everything and you see it all, and then you're done. You literally can go and monitor this from your phone and either trail your stops or like see the next level we had it was, this is the green line, we pre-put it 73.45, and look at where it's going. Is it magic or magic? Please do tell me. I'm gonna change the DraftKings because they don't have the momentum, okay? And remember the path that we talked about? The path? Do you remember this one? Do you remember this one? I'm gonna answer your Melissa in a second, but do you remember the path that we pre-talked about it? See, we're eating 73 and we're gonna reach the 7350. Watch. All right, I don't want to be too confident, but so a couple things, because stock's a little bit slower. We're still pretty confident, right, at the 7350 because, and then they have the 74, and it's getting away from where we were, but you can either put a sell right here, okay, or you can wait till it breaks that level and trail your stop. Okay. All right. Any questions on TikTok, people?